Everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. These are our class plans for January 3rd, 2022. What I'd like you to do in class today is to silently read for the first 15 minutes of class. After that, you're going to want to make sure that you log your silent reading in the tracking sheet. You then will need to complete chapters 28 through 29 and the reading questions for To Kill a Mockingbird, and chapter 30 through 31 and complete the reading questions as well. The audiobook is still linked down in the purple folder that says To Kill a Mockingbird resources, so if you would like to listen to the story, you can do that with headphones, or if you would like to read it to yourself, you have your book. Please make sure that you have the questions completed by midnight on the 3rd of January. Also, please make sure you check your grades online. I haven't been feeling the best the past couple days, so I did not go through and grade anything online over this break. However, I will make sure to get things graded throughout this week for you. So if you are missing anything and have not completed it, I highly recommend that you take some time, go through your grades, and complete any missing assignments. Alrighty. Also, please remember that you should be seated in your appropriate seats. You should be quiet and respectful to the substitute. Any notes from the substitute that tells me your behavior was anything but your best will be met with a detention. I'm going to take the sub's word as far as your behaviors, so please be doing your best. Alrighty, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.